3 rises, 3 falls. Dragon leap. Tiger sit. Phoenix spreads one wing. Crouching dragon flip body. Sleeve hidden Hunyuan fist exchange. Section 1 Full routine. Section 1 Step-by-step tutorial. These ground skills are divided into 3 sections. Section 1 is 3 rises, 3 falls. Dragon leap. As your kung fu progresses, you may continue to the 2nd and 3rd sections. Section 1 is the most fundamental ground skill. 1. 3 rises, 3 falls. Now, the first movement of Section 1, 3 rises, 3 falls.